was a gun.
I'm not voting.
If we want to build our nation.
The problem with the Somalians.
Just want to experience something else than a black man.
Move on, move
Can't be like a horse with blinkers on.
Honestly say, I was about to have
corrupt
sex and then I pulled
crap, but it's nice.
Igama lami uSongezo. My surname nguJikolo ndihlala apha eZone 6.
Igama lami nguNandipha ngihlala eKhayelitsha.
Charles Pasha. I stay here in Langa and I'm a teacher.
Mina ndingumzuvukile okaMalibeni Fani uhlala lapha kwaLanga Zone 2.
I'm Esethu Mncanyeni ngihlala lapha eNewflats funde lip.
Igama lami Asemahle uSilinga ngihlala lapha eZone 7.
Khanyisa Phama ngihlala apha kwaNumber 9 eWashington.
My name is Bulelo Shinta. I live in Crossroad. I'm the founder of the group.
Mina ngiAlphelele ngihlala lapha kwaLanga.
My name is Sisawo Chuchwane.
My name is Vika. My surname is Negia. I live in Delft.
The group was discovered upper Elanga High by students abesifunda Elanga High. I found nguNombulelo Shinta, then was a recruiter labantu, and then that is where it all started.
When we started this group, we were still here at school, Nati, because ngoku sifunda koMavarsity, but besiselapha besezi teenagers. And then Cape Town TV ukuza kwakhe apha esikolweni and wacela ukuthi senze some debate, and then sazibona uba okay sizawuphuma ngesikolweni, then sazibuza ukuthi what do we want to leave behind, sifuna ushiya ntoni eLanga High School, and we thought of challenges that esizibonileyo ngoku besisafunda thina, and saqonda into masiyenze, let us just do a short film and then leave it here at school so that people that are coming after us can see the challenges that we faced when we were still here at school.
Listen to me. This is my house, and you're gonna play by my rules. Now take off the shirt, or I take it off you. Please let me go.
The Cherry Ejola Nolunga, which is Ulunga Uzoba kwexesha abe-gay, and diphinde ndibeyile cheese girl eyeya sheka eTexini noTishara, which Tishara lawo ebefuna ukundirape. Yeah.
This teacher is, this awesome teacher that is into some chicks, and I love that guy.
Come on, Gwenda, don't give me that. I called you the whole damn day. You didn't answer your phone. It's him, right? It's him. That cheating dance partner of yours. Yeah, and you don't even deny it, you little.
You what? You what? You know what? Don't even say it because I don't want to hear it. And Mamelaka get put. In case you didn't know, you don't owe me, so you don't tell me what to do and who to spend my time with if you had the intention of doing that. It stops today. It stops today.
What are you saying? Huh? Say!
I'm done with you. I'm done. I'm fed up with your nonsense, man. It's over. My character, Bang Twenga, Cheese Girl. The Cheese Girl is always seeking for its attention. Ebantwini neglect tishala, teacher, and then she ends up dating the teacher, and then yabete kapana pa cause ungameli into enkulu kunayo.
Anytime.
I believe we're gonna achieve some such targets.
Ain't doing that. We're doing it the Western way.
Come on, man. That's what you put it. Why don't you feel it somewhere?
Unless we end up Besides, no more further arguments. Discussion closed.
I'm a brother of this chick. Nayo ifuna ukuphulukana nobuyona. Kakhulukazi ndifocus kucala lo mbonisa indlela bana ngabe okay. Since engumXhosa, she must stay real or else azixube zombini to qualify.
And this village girl come from Eastern Cape. Suddenly I changed into a cheese girl. And then they take a panapa. But then I have this brother of my Umishle. He's helping me through all the stuff. But at the end of the day, he ended up dying because of my mistakes that I made.
You promised me that you're gonna change. It has to stop. You can't go on like this.
The idea came from Good because we wanted to to show that even if umdana or youth, at the end of the day, you can always mix, not to mix it low a phone, but to mix it low, to mix i-values zakho, i-morals plus ne-roots, but where you come from, and this modern, like ngoku siphila ngolunye uhlobo than eli besikade siphila kulo.
Our mission and vision is to change young people's minds about Eastern life, because up a Western Cape, sicinga uba umntu xa ezibonakalisa uba okay ndingumXhosa, so what, uveke ujonga as if uliqaba or something. So thina samubonisa abantu abatsho bana you can be umlungu omnyama and you can be umXhosa. Akho nto wrong ngaloo nto leyo. Akutsho uba suphila obunye ubomi. You can live a double life. You don't have to live a double life because you want to lie to people. You have to live a double life because you want to fit both, because the scale has to balance. You don't have to be too Eastern and be too Western, because this is a democratic country.
It's the combination of the things and the challenges that esizibonileyo thina ngoba sisafunda, because even on my way here bendicinga uba even with these youngsters that I'm with, how many people that can count in isiXhosa from 1 up to 10 in isiXhosa, not to say 1, but uthi zinye zimbini zintathu uqhubeleke uyofika ku-10. And I was wondering if, so into endinothisileyo is that because most yethu as amaXhosa, we originate from the Eastern Cape, and then xa ufika Eastern Cape yi-village mosleya, so incinci, area nje encinci. So into eyenzekayo izinto esizifundiswa phaya azifani nezinto esizifundiswa apha xa sifika e-Western Cape, because even phaya, for example, xa ufika e-Eastern Cape ubulisa wonke umuntu because nazana nonke by names. So kufuneke sizama ukuthi make sizama umixa the values that esizifundisweyo thina ngoba sisakhula okanye ngoku besisavele Eastern Cape. Xa sifika apha sifuna ke ngoku ufita into the society. So let us just mix the two. You can be whoever you want to be. You can be whoever you want to become, but do not forget who you were.
For example, i-character yami ndinguMahle. I can be uMahle lo usuka e-Eastern Cape. At the same time, ndilapha e-Cape Town, ndi-cheese girl plus ndinguMahle wase-village. Ndingatshintshi because I want to impress abantu, because I want to speak English all the time. I want to be this popular girl as well. No, but at the end of the day, you have to, in life yakho uyazi uba you have goals and you have to reach them. And if ever you don't mix it, it's going to be impossible for you, because it's going to only ujonge icala because youth elingana nathi at this time, I'm telling you, abanye bakwi-picnic bayosela bazi-enjoyile, but thina we're here. So we want them babanela mentality uba it's still possible uba change from who they are, which is we're not judging, but at the same time we're giving you advice to change from what they are.
It talks about being actually neutral, not being a cheese girl or being a Kasipo or something. To relate it with my life, at school, I'm this person, or, you know, the many things at school is in guy, and I'm just simple. I think some of the people at school and they know I don't like, you know, wearing izindo that are gonna attention about, and I don't like being a cheese boy or a Kasi boy or something. I just like being simple and just being myself. And I didn't stay Eastern Cape for, you know, but that's like Cape Town. But I know who am I, and I know Abazal Bambang Obani, and I know what they want me to be in life. And so by listening to their values, and taking values at school and then mixing them together, and those values, those are the things that, you know, mold my life and make me the person I am.
The character is quite challenging for me because I'd never date with my teacher and I'm not a very loud person. So up I have to be this hyper girl who shouts when she wants to shout, and this hyper girl who likes doing izinto just to get attention. So I'm just a chill person.
It's difficult sometimes for us to guide our brother bethu abancinci. So that character personally, even we can share ne personal issues abana ngaba okay. That character personally, it motivates me yabana ngaba okay. Brother wam he must have a best friend and him, not to have abantu abangaphandle who gonna tell him izinto eziyabo. So this character, I mean, Kamahle is Kamihle, so it's very powerful for me, and I believe ngomnye umuntu ozayibukela this short film, there are a lot they're gonna come and they're gonna change, just because we believe banangaba, okay, we are the voice of change.
I would love to share my stories with some young girls here. They must know that there are people out there who are going to take advantage of them. I'm not saying I'm the pro. I'm not saying I've experienced many different things, but I've been here. I'm older than others here in the group. What I'm trying to do is to just share how what I've learned out of life so far. And what I've learned is that school can make or break you. And in Western Cape, ingakushintsha into someone else. You just have to stick with values zakho, because now even when I was in high school, I wanted to change so much, because I felt like I need to fit in, but I couldn't. Even I used to tell these other girls that when I was still at school, when I was still in primary school, because I was so tall than others and people made fun of me, made fun of my height. But right now I'm so confident that I'm not afraid to show who I am. I'm not afraid to wear high heels now anymore, because I know who I am and I know what I want to achieve out of life.
We here because we have common interest as a group. If you look around, we have the same vibe. We feel what we do, we enjoy it. And then as a group here, we have different people from different areas. We meet here every Friday and every Saturday, and then we do it with passion. We make sure that what we do, we not do it perfect, but we're learning. Every time we come here, we make it count. We make it that, okay, now, we are the voice of change, Elise. So we want to change, yes. We want to send a message out there. Bakhona abantu bahleli ngaphandle drinking, having fun or doing whatever, some falling in trouble that is uninvited, some are inviting the trouble, whatsoever. But Tina, we're here to send the message, show the people that there is so much to live for.
Voice of change, the whole group, to me, it's not only just J group, yeah. It's also the house of opportunities here, because of these small things, singabantu kwalapha egroupini sinazo personal interests zethu, yabo. But because we go community radio stations, sithethe nakwezinye indawo, abanye bethu abane personal interests abo bafumana amathuba, yabo, kunomuntu ohleli phaya elokishini ochayayo okanye oselayo.
My life really changed, and it wasn't nice when my life started to change, because I felt like in the shaker out there, and I'm losing everything because I don't have a love life, I can say, you know, and I'm not going to Mzolis anymore. So yeah, man, it has really changed me, and this has become my home, my second home.
And apha groupini ndifunde lukhulu uhlala nabantu ayonto ndithandayo kakhulu. But yeah, apha ndifike ngifika apha kulezi lenguquka nabona abantu abazi brothers and sisters zam nomama ubule odlale indima nzothi indima enkulu nabantu abadlale indima enkulu eyalapha ngathi ntshintsha kakhulu.
All these people here, abantwana besikolo abanye bayasebenza, we having fun, we doing that, we loving it. And then we have the same mission of one day, one of us, you're going to see him with that, or her or him on SABC1 or SABC2 or ever on DSTV, but we're going to prevail one way or another. That's the spirit we have.
The main aim is to change the youth's mind, but how do we do it? We do it through entertaining them, because we love doing drama and we're doing what we love. At the same time, we're passing out a message that these things are happening in our streets and they should be aware of it.
My dream is to become a dermatologist.
My dream, kuba mandibe ngumsasazi.
One day I want to be the director of SABC.
I just want to be this powerful woman who can go out there and just preach the word of God.
My dream is to become a plant pathologist.
I would like to make acting as my career, but I also write music and then I rap as well.
My dream is to become a politician. Well, I never dreamt of becoming a politician, but what's currently happening up in South Africa is really touching me, and it's making me angry that I want to be up there and show them what is leadership and show them abantu baphathwa njani.
You should ever sit and talk with people, or else take a walk and create a straight talk. Talk what is nice, it will make you feel stronger. Listen what is right and say what is wrong. You should ever sit and talk with people, or else take a walk and create a straight talk. Talk what is nice, it will make you feel stronger. Listen what is right and say what is wrong.